Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 15 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. You guys have 5 colors to choose from. You guys will have pink, yellow, blue, black, and green. You also have 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. So this is the iPhone 15. You guys will notice that it has the cutout there for your dynamic island. That is new to the lower lower end iPhones, you could say. So you have that, plus you have your power button on the right side of the phone, the volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert button or whatever. On the back of the phone is your dual camera setup, camera flash, Apple logo. Kind of looks white there on the screen, but you guys have your dual camera setup there on the back, camera flash, Apple logo, right side, like I just said, power button, and you have your antennas there for like your 5G and stuff like that. There's the dual camera setup there, camera flash and whatnot. And there's the front, like I said, your dynamic island right here. So yeah, the 128 gigabyte iPhone 15 at Metro is $729.99. If you bring your number to Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 for $529.99. So you're $7,200 on that. So that is pretty cool. For retail price is $829.99, so that's kind of interesting there. If you get a new number, it's $729.99. If you just get like a brand new number with Metro, it's $729.99. If you bring your number to Metro, it's $529.99. Full retail price $829.99 for the 128 gigabyte version, and then the 256 gigabyte version is not in stock, but if it were in stock, you guys could get it for $829.99 with their brand new number. Full retail price $929.99. If you bring your number to Metro, it is $629.99. So yeah, you basically, if you put your number over the Metro, you're basically getting the new iPhone $200 off. So that is a win. And then the 512 gigabyte version is not in stock either, but if it were, it would be $1029.99 for getting a brand new number with Metro, $1129.99 for retail price for the 512 gigabyte iPhone 15. If you bring a number over to Metro, the iPhone 15 512 gigabyte can be yours for $829.99. So that is pretty cool. Features: so it has an advanced dual camera system, 48 megapixel main with 2x telephoto and ultra wide, 12 megapixel true depth front camera, 16 hours of talk time, 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display, 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution. Other features: it has a 6.1 inch OLED display, dynamic island, bubbles up alerts and live activities, super high resolution photos, next generation portraits with focus and depth control, optical zoom options, cinematic mode, iOS 17 of course, emergency SOS via satellite and roadside assistance, crash detection, up to 23 hours of video playback, splash, water and dust resistance, USB-C connectivity that is new to the iPhone 15 line, all-day battery life, Apple Care warranty. It says iPhone 15 brings you dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. So quick facts about the iPhone 15 if you guys don't know. When the iPhone 15 will be released September 22nd, 2023. What color what colors are available for the iPhone 15? The iPhone 15 is available in 5 colors: black, green, pink, yellow, and blue. What are the storage options for the iPhone 15? The iPhone 15 has 3 memory storage sizes: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. So, yeah. Specs. The iPhone 15 has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery USB-C that is needed to the iPhone 15 line. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC with reader mode, and voice over LTE A16 Bionic chip, iOS 17. There is no expandable storage because this is iOS. You do get 4G LTE, 5G of course. Supported email platforms, HearNet compatibility, as well as wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies. The iPhone 15 weighs 6.02 ounces. Dimensions: 5.81 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So what comes in the box with the iPhone 15 is a USB-C charging cable, documentation, and of course iPhone 15. So pretty much in itself in the box, so you guys will need a Type-C charging brick. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys get the iPhone 15. Is now here at Metro by T-Mobile, so that is pretty cool. So if you guys are a new customer, y'all guys can put your number over the Metro and get the iPhone $200 off the price. So that is pretty cool. So definitely worth checking out. So if you're a new customer, basically you get the iPhone for a discount. So that's pretty sweet. If you put your number over, you do get a better discount. So yeah, great incentive for new customers to switch to Metro. So yeah, they guys got iPhone 15 now here at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.